So one of the use cases that I love about this ad hoc capabilities of the Sidekick is moving files around. So for example, I've got these meeting files that were generated in Google Meet, and it puts them into my Drive, sticks them here, and it's just to go to move them around using this organize tool in Google Drive. I've got so many shared drives. Look at them all. I mean, I've got so many. It's just very time consuming. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab this, copy the link. I'm going to tell my Sidekick to move these files to the task folder. So I'm going to get that one and the transcript. I don't need the other one. Share, copy a link. There's files. I just assign it to my Sidekick. Click go. And then wait for it. And generally, it gets done in, I don't know, 30 seconds or so. So I don't generally wait for the Sidekick to come back, but there it is. It's already been added. Let's just go double check to see if it's there. Yeah, there they are in the task folder. But normally I'll just not wait and go give it another task.